Good morning, students. Welcome to virtual classes. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the beaks of the birds. In this lecture, we will study about feet and claws of birds. As you know, feet help us to walk. Like that, birds have feet and claws for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming and perching. So, here a question arises, what are claws? Claws are the long curved nails present on the feet of birds. As you know, birds have 2 feet and they have claws on that 2 feet. So the feet and the claws are shaped to suit their perching and food habits. Perch means to sit firmly. So let us know more about the claws of birds. Look at the picture. Here are the claws of eagle, hawk and vulture. They have very strong and sharp claws to firmly hold the prey while flying. That's why they are called birds of prey. What do you mean by birds of prey? Birds which kill other smaller animals and eat them as a food are called birds of prey. So, here are the pictures of eagle, hawk and vulture's claw. I think you have understood about the birds of prey. Now, come to next. Perching birds. What do you mean by perching birds? Perching birds are those birds which can sit on a branch or a wire with their long slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Look at the picture. There is a sparrow that is sitting on a branch of a tree and it has 3 toes in front and 1 at the back, and it can hold the branch very firmly with its toes. So that's why they can known as perching birds. Like sparrow, pigeon and crow are also known as perching birds because they can also sit on wire or branch with the help of their toes. Okay. Now there are swimming birds. Look at the pictures. Duck, penguin, they have webbed feet to swim. These webbed feet help them to swim in water, but they swim slowly. The front toes of these birds are joined by skin, giving them a flat appearance. They use their feet to paddle and push the water while swimming. As you, when you are going for cycling, you push or paddle the cycle. Likewise, whenever the duck and penguin swim in water, they paddle and push the water while swimming. Okay, so what are the examples of swimming birds? Duck and penguin. Now it's turn to wading birds. Wading birds are those birds which have very long legs and wide spreading toes. You can see the pictures of crane and jackdaw. They have very long legs and they have wide spreading toes. Look at their toes. Okay, so these help them to walk in shallow water or mud, and they can walk in the mud without getting their body wet, and these wide spreading toes help them to prevent their body from sinking in water. So, crane and jackdaw are wading birds. Now, there is the picture of a hen. That is a scratching bird. Hen As you know, they have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. And each toe has a very sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects present in the soil. As you can see, there is the picture of toes also. There are 3 strong toes in front and 1 at the back for scratching the ground in search of seeds and insects. So hen is known as a scratching bird. Last one is climbing birds. What are climbing birds? Birds which can climb on trees with the help of their toes. They are known as climbing birds. They have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. When you step a ladder, what you do? You have 2 feet. So you put your first feet and then another. Likewise, birds have 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. So they can easily climb on trees. Look at the picture of that bird, that is a woodpecker. Okay, so it has 2 toes in front and 2 at the back. So 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards, and these birds can clinch to the trees to catch the insects and hold the fruits. Now your chapter is complete. So read all the pages of this chapter from page number 32 to 38. Okay. In the next lecture, we will discuss the back exercise of the chapter. Thank you.